Day trading is a popular investment strategy that involves buying and selling stocks, options, or other securities within the same trading day. It's a high-risk, high-reward approach that can be incredibly profitable for those who know what they're doing. But it's important to understand that it's not a strategy that's suitable for everyone. Day trading requires a significant amount of time, dedication, and knowledge of the markets. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not something that you can just jump into without proper preparation. Before you consider day trading, it's important to have a solid understanding of the markets and the securities you plan to trade. This includes understanding the fundamentals of the companies whose stocks you're trading, as well as technical analysis and chart reading. It's also important to have a solid trading plan in place and to stick to it, even when the markets get volatile. In this video, you'll learn about the main pros and cons of this fascinating activity. Let's start with the 3 main pros. Pro number 1, potential for big profits. Day trading allows you to take advantage of short-term price movements in the market, which can result in large returns if you make the right trades. Day traders often use technical analysis, chart patterns, and other tools to identify potential opportunities and make quick trades. This approach can lead to significant profits if done correctly. Day traders can also use leverage, which means borrowing money to trade, to potentially increase their returns. This can amplify both profits and losses. It's important to note that day trading is not for everyone, and it is highly speculative, which means that there is a high degree of risk. And it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a lot of dedication, time, and knowledge to be successful. And not everyone has the temperament to handle the stress and volatility that come with it. It's important to do your research, understand the risks, and have a solid trading plan in place before considering day trading as an investment strategy. Pro number 2, flexibility. Day trading allows you to work from home or anywhere you have an internet connection, and you can structure your day however you want. This means that you can have a more flexible schedule and have the freedom to work when it's most convenient for you. You don't have to be tied to a 9-to-5 schedule and can instead create a schedule that works best for you and your lifestyle. This can be especially beneficial for those who have other commitments, such as children, elderly relatives, or other responsibilities. Additionally, you can work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection and a device to access the markets. This means that you can travel or relocate without having to worry about finding a job in a new location. It's important to note that even with the flexibility, day trading requires discipline, focus, and constant monitoring of the markets, so it's not a vacation job. Pro number 3, control. Day trading offers a level of control that is unmatched by other forms of trading. As a day trader, you have the ability to act quickly when you see an opportunity, giving you the potential to capitalize on market movements in real time. Additionally, you have the ability to manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders and adjusting your position size. This level of control allows you to take an active role in your trading and can give you a sense of empowerment and satisfaction as you make decisions and potentially see your trades come to fruition. Furthermore, day trading allows you to be adaptable and responsive to changing market conditions, which can be crucial in volatile markets. Overall, control is a major advantage of day trading, as it allows you to actively participate in the markets and make decisions based on your own analysis and strategies. Now let's review the 3 main cons of day trading. Con number 1, high risk. Day trading is a highly speculative activity that comes with a high degree of risk. The fast-paced nature of day trading means that positions are often held for a short period of time, and the potential for large losses is always present. This is especially true for traders who do not have a well-defined trading strategy or who do not fully understand the risks involved. Additionally, the markets are unpredictable, and unexpected events can occur that can cause significant losses, even for experienced traders. Day trading also requires a significant amount of capital, and traders who lack the necessary capital may be at a disadvantage. Furthermore, the use of leverage can amplify the potential losses, as traders are able to take on larger positions than they would be able to without it. The high-risk nature of day trading makes it a suitable option only for traders who are willing to take on a large amount of risk and are prepared to potentially lose all of their invested capital. It is also important to note that day trading is not suitable for all traders, and it is crucial to have a complete understanding of the risks before engaging in this type of trading. Con number 2. Stressful. Day trading can be a highly stressful activity, as traders are constantly monitoring the markets and making quick decisions based on changing market conditions. The fast-paced nature of day trading means that traders are always on alert, and they must be able to react quickly to new information. This constant state of readiness can take a toll on a trader's mental and emotional well-being, leading to feelings of stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Additionally, the pressure to make profitable trades can be intense, as traders are constantly trying to maximize their returns while minimizing their losses. This can lead to a feeling of constant pressure and the need to make quick decisions that can be difficult to handle. Furthermore, day trading can be a very solitary activity, which can be a source of stress for some traders, as it can be hard to share emotions and thoughts with others. Day trading also requires a high level of discipline, which can be difficult to maintain when under stress. Ultimately, the high-stress nature of day trading can be challenging for many traders, and it is important for traders to be aware of this aspect of the activity and take steps to manage their stress levels. Con number 3. Time-consuming. Day trading is a highly active investment strategy that requires a significant amount of time and attention. Traders must constantly monitor the markets and stay up to date on the latest news and developments that can impact their trades. This requires a significant commitment of time, as traders may need to spend several hours each day analyzing charts, reading news articles, and studying market trends. Additionally, day trading requires traders to be constantly available during market hours, as opportunities can arise at any time and traders must be ready to act quickly. This means that traders may need to sacrifice other activities or hobbies in order to devote the necessary time to their trading. Moreover, day trading also requires constant learning and research. Traders must always be looking for new information, new strategies, new tools, and new ways to improve their trading skills. This can be a time-consuming task, as traders must be willing to spend time studying and analyzing the markets. Overall, day trading is not a passive investment strategy, and it requires a high level of commitment and dedication. It's a full-time job that requires a lot of time, energy, and attention. This can be overwhelming for some people, and they should carefully consider whether they have the time and resources to devote to this type of activity before getting started. So, is day trading right for you? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not day trading is right for you comes down to a number of factors, including your risk tolerance, investment goals, and available time. Day trading can be a highly profitable activity for those who are willing to put in the work and accept the risks. However, it's important to note that day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and that it requires a significant amount of knowledge, experience, and discipline to be successful. If you're comfortable with the high risks and willing to put in the time and effort required to learn and stay on top of the markets, day trading can be a great way to earn big profits. However, if you're not prepared to put in the time and effort, or if you're not comfortable with the high risks, it's probably best to stick with a more traditional investment strategy. It's also important to remember that day trading isn't right for all traders, and it's important to know everything there is to know about the risks before you start. It's also important to note that the markets are unpredictable, and unexpected events can occur that can cause significant losses, even for experienced traders. Day trading also requires a significant amount of capital, and traders who lack the necessary capital may be at a disadvantage. Also, the use of leverage can amplify the potential losses, as traders are able to take on larger positions than they would be able to without it. Therefore, it's crucial to have a well-defined trading strategy and risk management plan in place before engaging in day trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.